Buy here, pay here. To start buy here, pay here, click on the buy here, pay here button. And as you can see on the menu bar, there's a client information, client payments, client aging, print forms, and control. But right now, let's click on client information. Now you can see there's a blue proof of insurance button. If this is flashing, that means the proof of insurance has expired. And you can print reports of expired proof of insurances. You also notice that the message button is red. That means there's messages here, and there's 4 of them in this particular client, and this allows you to track what's going on and pass messages to each other. You also have ad fees, fee payments, write-offs, and let's go to the contract information. This gives you all the information on the current contract. This is the current payment due. This would be the payoff. And you notice it's $1,630 on a 10/22, but let's go to 10/31. He wants to pay off that on that day. On that day, the payoff would be $1,638. You also have repo fee tracking and add-on fees. Let's now take in a client payment. Click on the client payments menu item, and it brings up the client payment screen. And let's select Anthony here. And as you can see, the current amount due is in red. He owes $312.52. If you right mouse click on this, you can see that he's 3 days past due and that the current amount is $312.52. Now, there's also a message in here for this client. If you click on messages, it shows that there's already a form letter sent of notice of right to cure. Again, the last message entered is always on top. So let's now take the payment. Add new payment, and then how did he pay? Click on payment method, and let's select cash. As you notice, the amount field is equal to what's currently due. However, if he's paying a different amount, you can just enter that. And then click update, and it will print your receipt. And let's bring it down here. The top portion is for to give to the client. The middle portion is to put in the deal jacket, and the bottom portion is for counting. And that's all there's to taking a payment. It is very fast and very efficient. Let's take a look at the client aging report. Click on client aging report on the menu bar, and then let's again pick on Anthony here, and he's 3 days late. So we want to send him a form letter. As you can see, we have preview late notice turned on. So let's send a notice to him. And we're going to send it right to cure. So click OK, and then click OK again. Because we wanted to preview the letter, this allows us to go in and edit this particular form letter and put in any additional information or make any changes you would like. When you're done, click OK, and it'll print it to the printer. To edit or add a new form letter, go to Control and click on Create Form Letters. And you notice the Notice of Right to Cure letter comes up, as it's the only one in the system at the moment. If you want to edit this, you click the Edit button. And let's say we want to add a new control field right here. We go to Keywords, and we add the contract number, for example, and we update. Whatever is in these tilde characters, it'll go to the database and get the information from the database and add it to the form letter. You can use whatever format you want. It's free form. Treat it like a word processor. If you want to add a new form letter, click Add New, and what type of form letter? Buy here, pay here, late notice, and we can give it a name, new and late, and then let's insert a name here. So let's say hello, and we get the name of the individual from the database, and update, and that's all there's to it. And you can put in as much information as you like.